Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to review the Preppy fountain pen by Platinum. And this is one of the best fountain pens which are available, very smooth writing, etc. Reason why I purchased this is because it is very difficult to find the green ink, and with this particular fountain pen I got green ink, so that is the reason I purchased it. And also this got that slip and seal mechanism which is very good in terms when we are using the pen, etc. And comes with various colors like the purple, red, etc., yellow and all. So if you're new to this channel guys, please consider subscribing and also hit the particular like button if you are want to interested in seeing such kind of videos. So this is something different compared to tech what I started, and let me know in the comments below if we should be doing such type of more videos or we should completely focus on tech, because I thought like of reviewing it, just my different take on a pen rather than something what technology is. Before emails we used to always send draft and emails, I mean the mails, physical mails. So yeah, let me just open it up, and this is how it looks guys. It is all transparent, and I really like the look of it. Remember how you used to get the pilot fountain pens, sorry, not the fountain pens, ruler pens. And this is how it looks, and it comes with this nice neat packaging, and it got a silver nib. Also this cartridge which you need to install it, got this nice roller, a ball mechanism also, like how we have for the Parker pen which we have reviewed previously. And what you need to do is you just have to press this very hard inside it. This will break the seal and it will start the ink flowing in it. So let us just push it out and let us see if this seal we can break it. And it is just like other fountain pens where you have to apply a bit of a pressure and do it. Okay, and let's see after installing all the refills and all how this looks. And the refill is quite expensive. Just in case if you think that, compare it with something like a camelin or any other color ink. And as you can see, there is this kind of color or the ink which is coming over here, and it does like a pretty good job of showing it off. And I really like the transparent nature of this particular pen. Let us write something, and let me just demonstrate how it writes. So on the first sort of impression of it, it is very smooth as the fountain pen have to be. And it is sort of in mid-range compared to something like Parker or any other fountain pen by Gold Leaf and all, which I had been using previously, and it writes really smoothly guys. Except what I found is you just need to apply more pressure on it, so for that ink to be flowing over here. And as you can see, I started writing random stuff and it is doing pretty good. Also let me know in the comments below, are you a ball pen user or a fountain pen user? And check out, please subscribe to my channel. And let me just write some other words also with it, and it is really good. So this is sort of Creative Soft which I have written with it. Let me know in the comments below guys if you all are using other pens. We have already done sort of a review with my Parker, the calligraphy pen, and this is the second pen which I am reviewing. I will be also getting the gold because that is what people had asked me to review it. And I think there is not much to say about it. Besides, I really like this particular color called as green, and it just gives that unique or kind of a lovely impression if you are writing with a game. So this is the name of the pen, that is Preppy, and it is platinum. It is made in Japan, and I really like this particular mechanism. Once you push it, that got some spring, and that loaded mechanism is going to protect your pen, I guess. And this is it guys, what I wanted to say about this particular pen. So mostly I've been using fountain pens for writing and all because it really improves your handwriting, etc. So again, thanks for watching this particular video guys, and see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel too.